Hi guys, today we will talk about Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G versus Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $350. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $400. The body dimensions: the Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G launched on height 6.34 inches, width 2.95 inches, thickness 8 mm. The Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G dimensions: height 6.35 inches, width 2.92 inches, thickness 8 mm. The weight of these devices: the Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G 188 gram and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G 187 gram. And the both device come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card supported. The display type: the Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with AMOLED 1 billion color, and the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G come with AMOLED 68 billion color. The screen size is same in both device 6.67 inches, and the screen resolution: the Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with 1080p screen resolution, and the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G come with 1220 by 27 12 pixels, and the PPI intensity: the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with 395 PPI intensity, and Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G 446 PPI intensity. The refresh rate is same 120Hz in both device, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with 88.9% screen to body ratio, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G 89.8% screen to body ratio, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with 1300 nits peak of brightness, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G come with 1800 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The both device come with triple camera setup. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with 200 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro, and it's got 4K 30 fps video. And the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G come with triple camera setup, 200 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro, and it's got 4K 30 fps video. The selfie camera of these devices: the both devices come with 16 megapixel selfie camera, and it's got 1080p 60 fps video record. Let's go to the platform. The both devices come with octa-core CPU, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with the Cortex A76 and the 5G Cortex A78 CPU. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra 6nm chipset, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G come with Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 4nm chipset. The GPU of these devices: the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G come with Adreno 710 and the 4G Mali G750, and the both devices come with Android 13 MIUI 14 operating system. The memory setup: the Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with 8GB and 12GB of RAM, and the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G come with 8GB, 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The internal storage: both devices come with 256GB and 512GB internal storage, and Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G supported micro SD card. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with 5000 mAh battery, and Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G come with 5100 mAh battery. The both mobile come with 67 watt fast charging. No wireless charging supported in both mobile, and Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G supported 4G network, and the 5G supported 5G network. Common and feature is same, but the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with IP54 rating, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G sport IP68 rating. And the result of these devices: the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G got 17 points, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G got 25 points.